Hey guys, before we jump into the tutorial, I'm going to talk briefly about blueblocker.com. You guys were asking me where I got these shades from. They are actually from Blueblocker, and these are a couple of styles that I really enjoy. And aside from the fact that they block harmful blue rays, they are very stylish and fashionable, hence why I'm doing a whole tutorial on makeup for glasses. So let's jump in. So first thing I'm going to mention is, if you guys didn't know, I actually have been wearing glasses most of my life. I started wearing glasses when I was around, I think 8 or 10 years old, when I was in primary school. If you guys didn't know, I went to primary school in Nigeria, and I wore glasses most of my life. And I honestly feel like it was such a weird experience because I really loved wearing glasses, but I always felt as though like I couldn't do makeup and things like that. Even when I started wearing eyeliner, I couldn't really wear eyeliner, and that was really frustrating for me because you could barely see my eyeliner through my glasses. Now, after I think I was 18 when I finally got my contacts, and when I got my contacts, life changed. When I got contacts is when I actually started delving more into makeup and being really excited to try out new styles and things like that. But prior to that, I mostly wore glasses. And even till now, for some reason, maybe because I wore glasses for such a long time, I literally have to always wear personality glasses. Especially with my sense of style, I always have on personality glasses, which are glasses that don't have a prescription in them, but they're cute with your outfit. I'm wearing personality glasses now for years, even back when I was in college. And one of my favorite personality glasses I used to wear are actually these cat eye clear frames. If you know, you know. There's one photo of me on Pinterest that I have those glasses on in, and I actually recently just found those glasses again, and I have been wearing them. Now, when I do my makeup, usually I do it in such a way where it's more natural. I usually like doing a bright under eye because you can really see it pop through the glasses, and I actually feel as though when you do a brighter under eye, it makes your eyes pop a lot more. Honestly, sometimes when I'm wearing glasses, I don't like wearing lashes because they hit the front of the glasses. However, if I do a minimal lash or a lash that's not too long, but this type of look is more like if you're going to the office and you wear glasses, or if you're the type of person who kind of just like me wears personality glasses because they think it's cute. Like I said, my prescription is pretty high, so I'm actually a glasses wearer. However, now I'm a contact lens wearer, which is why you guys see me wearing contact lenses all the time. Mostly wear clear, but sometimes also wear colored contacts, depending on my mood, honestly. So with this type of look, I make sure I set very well. Now, let me just let you know something. No matter how much you set, no matter how much you put powder on your glasses, there is going to be marks on your nose. Now, if you know that you're going to be putting on your glasses all day, I suggest that you don't take them off as much as you can. However, if it's a day where you want to put on contacts and maybe you want your glasses here and there, just be very careful how you put your glasses on your makeup so that way it doesn't take off the makeup on your nose. For me, a lot of times if I'm wearing personality glasses, I know the whole day I'm not going to take those glasses off because they are now part of my look. However, if you are just wearing them for a photo shoot or something like that, then that's a different story. You guys know I love my nude lip. Will always be a nude lip, like I said. But you can tell this look is soft glam, but elevated soft glam. And by the time you put glasses over it, it just gives you this very chic and effortless look, which I love, which you deserve to have, even though you wear glasses. And honestly, I always feel like glasses make you look cute. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a whole thing. And actually, when I got these glasses from Blueblocker, that's actually what kickstarted my personality glasses obsession again, because I love the fact that not only do they block blue light, which is harmful light from the sun and things like that, they also are super cute, and I really liked wearing them because they're very vintage. This is actually one of the styles that I really liked on their website. I also really liked their Viper one, which was the white one that you saw, and the aviator shades. Those ones come with an orange lens, and I think it's pretty cool. I've worn them a couple of times in my Instagram stories, and it kind of matches my style. So we're gonna set, always using my MAC Fix Plus setting spray, one of my favorites. And I just use this to kind of hydrate the makeup. This is not really a setting spray. If you want a very in-depth tutorial again, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to do that. I'm trying to really get back on my YouTube game this year, y'all. But hopefully next week I'm gonna have a vlog for you guys, because I always feel like vlogs are great for you guys to kind of catch up with, you know, where I'm at and what I'm doing and things like that. So I'm gonna have a vlog next week, but for now I felt as though I just really wanted to do this nice, cute, quick tutorial on wearing makeup for glasses or glasses wearers. I've actually never had one of these tutorials on my channel. So this is the trick. So you put the powder on the inside of your glasses, and so when you put them on your makeup, you can just dust them off. And here's the final look. As you can see, very cute, very effortless, very chic, but you can tell how my eyes, even through the glasses, look a little bit dramatic, but not too much, if you know what I mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great weekend. And as I always say, love you guys. Bye.